What does clear to close mean? When a lender tells you that your mortgage is clear to close, it feels like the hard work is done. In New York, this status reflects extensive underwriting and legal review. It signals that your finances and title have been vetted but doesn't guarantee the deal is finished. Partnering with a lawyer who understands real estate law helps you avoid missteps during the final steps toward owning a home. Legally, clear to close means you've satisfied underwriting conditions and the lender is prepared to fund the loan. Attorneys ensure all financial requirements and contingencies meet state regulations and confirm that the title is free of liens. Meeting these standards demonstrates that your loan has been verified and minimizes the risk of last-minute complications. A law firm will review your contract and documents to reduce delays and protect both parties. Receiving clearance means your lender has verified your income, credit, and assets and is satisfied that you can finance the purchase. It indicates that the title search has uncovered no encumbrances. Yet you still must acknowledge the closing disclosure, wait 3 days, conduct a final walkthrough and sign closing papers to finalize the sale. Maintaining communication with your loan officer and attorney during this period helps resolve any outstanding issues. The path to clearance includes several stages. After the purchase contract is signed, both parties perform due diligence by inspecting the property and resolving issues. You apply for a mortgage. The lender evaluates your creditworthiness and the property's value. A title search verifies ownership and identifies any liens. Appraisal and inspection ensure the home's value and physical condition meet standards. Contingencies such as repairs or financing must be satisfied. The lender and attorneys then conduct a final review to make sure the transaction complies with New York law. How long it takes to reach this milestone varies. Underwriting might be completed in a few days if documents are complete, or it may take longer for complex loans or during busy seasons. Once conditions are met, the underwriter issues a clear to close and the lender prepares for closing. Closing costs in New York typically range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price. These costs cover lender fees, title search and insurance charges and services such as attorney, appraisal and inspection fees. The cash you need to bring to closing consists of the down payment, closing costs and prepaid expenses, minus any credits or deposits already paid. To avoid surprises, request a loan estimate early, review the closing disclosure at least 3 days before closing and have an attorney verify the figures. After receiving clearance, New York law requires a 3-day waiting period following issuance of the closing disclosure. This document summarizes your loan terms, monthly payment, closing costs and fees. Use this time to read it carefully and resolve discrepancies. After the waiting period, you can notarize the documents, pay the required funds and complete the purchase. Delays can occur if documents are incomplete, title defects appear, inspection issues arise or regulatory requirements are not met. Minimizing delays means gathering necessary paperwork, addressing title discrepancies, completing repairs promptly and confirming compliance with zoning and building codes. A skilled lawyer coordinates with the other party's attorney, lenders and the title company to keep your transaction on track. They also oversee the final walkthrough to ensure the property is in the agreed condition and can address any last-minute issues. Understanding what clear to close really means helps buyers set realistic expectations and avoid costly mistakes. By working closely with an attorney who knows New York real estate law, you can move through the remaining steps with confidence. Avenue Law Firm's lawyers provide guidance anchored in state regulations and coordinate every detail from contract to closing. For personalized assistance, contact Avenue Law Firm at 212-729-090 or visit 505 Park Avenue Suite 202, New York, 10022, United States, to discuss your transaction with an attorney and ensure your closing proceeds smoothly.